How do you start investing in stocks as a complete beginner? It's a very common question and I feel like it's not addressed enough. There's plenty of videos talking about interesting investment opportunities. Although if you're completely new and you've never invested in stocks before, well, then you don't even know how do I actually buy the stock. And if you just Google how to invest in stocks for beginners, you will see a bunch of ads for different trading platforms where you can sign up. When I first started investing in 2011, it was a bit harder than it is today to get started. I had to sign up using email correspondence because we didn't have e-signatures back then. But today you can just sign up using online e-signatures. And there are a few different ways. If you want to do it real quick and easy and avoid human contact basically, you can use what is called an online broker. So here you have, for example, IG, you have DEGIRO, you have Robinhood in United States. There's a whole bunch of different solutions and it really doesn't matter a lot which one you pick. Of course, you should do some quick research and find out if the platform is good, if it's liquid, if it's a reputable founder, or you can just go to your local bank office even and open an investment account there. Of course, then the local banker will try to sell you on funds, but you will just have to be adamant that you want to do the investment yourself if this is the case. So you can open an online broker with zero human contact, or you can go to your local bank office and get helped through the process by a human. So these are two different ways that you can get started as a complete beginner. And once you're actually on the online trading platform, you will find that the interface is very user friendly in most cases and is really intuitive. All you need to do then is to learn more about investing, money, how the stock market works, and then set your strategy that's good for your goals, your risk level, and then stick to that strategy no matter what happens in the market so you can get the results that you want in the end. It's hard, you have to have a lot of patience, but as a beginner, how to invest in stocks, look up online brokers, go to your local bank office. This is the way to get started from zero. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, I hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.